So in my coaching programs, I often use a food inflammation test to help us get to the source of trouble in people's guts. One of the things that often comes up as an inflammatory substance is dairy. And it's kind of funny the way people react when they find out that dairy is trouble for them. We will say, all right, so you need to cut out milk, you need to cut out yogurt, sour cream, things like that. And people go, okay, wow, that's gonna be pretty tough. And I said, yep, and butter too, that's dairy also. Okay, all right, I think I can figure it out. Hey, I already use almond milk or soy milk or something, so that shouldn't be that tough. Great. And then I say, but you know, cheese is dairy also. Cheese is dairy? And that's when people struggle and say, oh man, I'm really gonna have trouble with this. It's gonna seem hard. So dairy is absolutely yogurt, milk, cheeses, sour cream, and butter. If dairy is necessary cutting out, you can also find milk or dairy as one of the major allergens. If you look on a bag or a box, it will give you your ingredient list, and right below that ingredient in bold will say contains milk or contains eggs or wheat, one of the major allergens. So if you're eating something that's nacho cheese flavored, it's very likely contains milk. So that's just my little take on dairy and just how tough sometimes it is to pull that kind of stuff out. That's why it helps to have a coach, somebody guiding you and giving you that insight into what foods may be inflammatory to you. If it's something you're interested in, getting the food inflammation test, you can contact my practice at keeplouisvillewell.com or my online coaching program, drtroywillis.com. You can find out more and get in touch with me on drtroywillis.com. Be sure to follow me on social media for updates and insights into digestive health.